Welcome to the FiConnection REALME 9 Pro, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher, and here you can see all the available icons. Now we can choose one from these icons and available networks, and now we should just select one from these networks. For example, we can go with this one. Here you should enter your password by click once here on this icon. You can see the password and say yes, can you see, just to have no sound mistakes. And now I'll enter the password out of screen, and here click just on the right upper corner to OK. Wait a second, and as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can select another network, just by the same way. Click once, enter the password and click to connect. And if you want to just turn off Wi-Fi, click once again here on the switcher, and that's it. And also by the same with the second way you can enable the Wi-Fi, just open your notification panel, go to the top bar, here click once on the Wi-Fi icon. When the icon will in the blue color, you should hold for a while the icon, and you'll launch the Wi-Fi settings by the same way. And then just by the same way you'll just select one from these networks, and when you just want to turn off the Wi-Fi fastly, so you just should click once again on this Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.